Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a baseball-themed cake. Now, if there was one American sport that I would actually followed as a teenager, it would be baseball. Let's get started.
I'm making this cake on a rectangular cake board to use the board in the decorating. I'm frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. I measured circle cutters for a while until I decided the angle was wrong. Then I just free-handed the curves on the side to look like a baseball. Then I followed the marks with red buttercream in a piping bag with a small round tip. Then I piped some arrows onto the red lines. Then I spread some brown buttercream in the shape of a baseball diamond on the cake board. Then I piped the bases with white buttercream in a piping bag with a medium round tip and connected them with a line of white. Then I piped grass with the green buttercream in a piping bag with a grass tip in the infield. Now, if you're not very careful, it's easy to get green buttercream on the baseball. So if that happens, you can scrape off the green and add a little dab of white to cover it up and smooth it. For the outfield, I decided to spread some buttercream with a spatula and piped at the point where the green and brown buttercream met. This is a fun baseball cake, but surprisingly easy to make. Take me out to the ball game. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.